Hey guys, what's up? It's Ed and Shizzle, and let's cut to the chase. I noticed that a lot of my guy friends don't take very good care of their skin. Well, not as good as they should be. A lot of you are washing your face with the same bar of soap that you use to wash your ass. And not only that, you leave it there to dry up like a grape in the middle of the desert. So I'm here to help reverse that with my first simple daily skin routine tutorial for guys. Let's get this simple yet effective 3-step skin routine started. So I want to start off by saying rinse your face. Try to apply a soap-free cleanser because soap is drying just like alcohol. And when you apply soap to your skin, you're essentially drying up your skin and allowing it to age quicker. So this one's actually La Prairie. It's pretty moisturizing, but a little out of my budget. It's about $100. I do recommend another face wash. You could find soap-free face wash all around the market. You could find a $20 face wash that's soap-free, that's just as effective. I got this one for my birthday, and my friends know that I love taking care of my skin because in high school I had really bad skin. So skin is my thing now. I'm gonna go rinse and wash my face off with this. I don't need to show you guys how to apply the face wash. If you don't know how to apply, do about a quarter size. I don't say a dime size, a quarter size, and kind of evenly apply it to your hands. Go upwards, but still in circular motions. A lot of people say go in circular motions. A lot of people say go upwards. I kind of do both when I'm just using a face wash. With the moisturizer, it's a different story, but we'll get to that next. So try to do this daily. You could do this in the shower. You could do this after the shower. I don't find a point of doing this outside of the shower unless you're about to do a face mask. But this is a simple skin routine. I don't want to confuse everybody. So first step, wash your face with a soap-free facial cleanser. I'm going to go do that myself so we could go on to the next step. Alright, so after you wash your face, you apply toner. Toner is a very simple thing. You don't need to look for a specific toner. Make sure it's alcohol-free. This one is Everyone Face for Everyday Tone. It's an uplifting tone with pure rose water and essential oils. Leaves your skin hydrated and refreshed. So, got some in my mouth. Spray that a few times on your face. I want to explain what toner does. It not only nourishes your skin after washing it, but it helps you evenly apply products afterwards. And I'll show you what I mean. Now we are applying moisturizer. This is derma-e moisturizer for sensitive skin. Moisturizer is good for hydrating your skin. So if you moisturize your skin will age slower. That's what happens when your skin dries up, your skin gets wrinkly. I like to apply it onto different parts of my face. One tip I learned from my sister who's an esthetician is go upwards, work on one side of the face at a time. I usually do this in the mirror. I don't really see what I'm doing. Under the eyes, you kind of go out and help drain that lymphatic fluid. I'm not good with biology, guys. I'm just helping you out with your skin. But yeah, go upwards, moisturize up. Don't forget your neck, because when you age, your neck gets those lines and also wrinkles up. So just don't forget your neck. And the reason you go upwards, by the way, is because it actually helps fight the gravitational pull of gravity on your skin, which is a big contribution to wrinkles. And not only that, but it helps penetrate the moisturizer into your skin. I've been doing my skin routine for about 2 years, and it's really been helping my skin compared to how it used to look. I'll throw up some old photos so you'll understand why I'm very into skin. All right, so we did our 3-step skin routine for guys. Added bonus, get a Kiehl's lip balm. And I know this is like very feminine to a lot of you. This is for all, man. If you just want your skin to look good and you want your lips to be moisturized so they won't dry up and crack and be unattractive to the ladies, this is an added bonus. I add a little extra because my lips are big and they are very prone to drying, so, and I add it really weirdly. 3-step skin routine tutorial for guys. I hope you guys were able to follow along. I hope you start doing this yourselves. I know a lot of my lady friends are gonna thank me for posting this video because a lot of you guys are not skin woke. That sounded stupid. Thanks again for watching. This is Ed and Shizzle signing out. See you next time.